in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:45 a.m. At 1:17 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from West Chicago to Naperville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Hinsdale, Lamont, Burridge, Oak Brook, Westmont, Loudoun, Darien. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is North Weather Radio, Key West 39 Chicago. Severe weather